Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here. In today's video, I'm going to show you on how to change Facebook page name and username on laptop. So let's begin. All right, so the very first thing you want to do is to make sure you open up your Facebook page. Having opened up your Facebook page, the next thing you want to do is to simply come to the sidebar right here. You have to navigate to settings. So simply click on settings and this is going to open up. Next thing you want to do is to simply scroll down from the sidebar right here. Then you have to navigate to page setup. Click on that. So it's going to take you to this particular page. Next thing you want to do is to simply come to the top right here, click on view, and this is going to pop up. What you need to do right here is to simply click on this edit icon right here to change the page name. So this is going to pop up. What you want to do right here is to simply come to the name right here. You can simply type a new name. So store, I can simply add essential. Just like so. Now, once you enter a new name, next thing you want to do is to simply click on review change. Then this is going to pop up. What you want to do here is to simply come down below right here, enter your Facebook login password. So I'm going to simply enter my login password. Just like so. Next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on request change. Just like so. Next thing I'm going to do is to navigate to the username right here. So you have not yet set your username. What you want to do here is to simply click on here and click on edit. Then you can simply set your username. So what I'm going to do here is to type in essential store. It's not available. Then I'm going to add 2024. It's not available, so I'm going to make the store a capital letter. S is going to be capital letter, so it's not available. Let's try and see 2025. So this is available. So you just have to keep on trying until you are able to see the one that is available. Now this is going to be your username on Facebook. Once you are able to set, next thing you want to do is to simply click on save change right here. Click on save change. So in a few seconds, everything is going to be saved, and Facebook needs to review the page name and the username, and they are going to automatically change everything for you. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply change your Facebook page name and your username without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial about Facebook topic like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.